At Royal Links, we believe in harmonizing nature with modern living. Our logo, inspired by the 5 fundamental elements that reflects this commitment. These elements are not just symbols, they are integral to the construction process, ensuring that every home we build is stable, sustainable, and full of life. Let's dive into the meaning behind each element and discover how they shape the homes we create. Earth, water, fire, air, and space. Earth represents the foundation of a house. Just as the earth provides stability and support, the foundation of a house ensures its strength and durability. Water symbolizes the life-giving aspect of a home. It flows through the plumbing systems, providing essential resources for daily living. Fire represents energy, warmth, and the heart of the home. It symbolizes the heating systems and the kitchen, where food is prepared. Air signifies ventilation and the breathability of a home. It ensures a healthy and comfortable living environment by allowing fresh air to circulate. Space is the blank canvas on which architects and builders design. It is the empty area that becomes the rooms, hallways, and open areas in a house.